Welcome to our tutorial on the Insert Element feature in Software Ideas Modeler, where we make diagramming simple and efficient. Today, we'll guide you through various scenarios to help you master this versatile feature. Let's dive in. First, let's locate our toolbox. Here you'll find a range of tools to create your perfect diagram. To use the Insert Element option, simply right-click on any tool in the toolbox and select Insert Element from the context menu. Let's start with the simplest scenario, when nothing is selected. Watch as I insert an element without any prior selection. Notice how the element is placed at a default position with a standard size. This is great for quickly adding new components to your diagram. Now, let's explore what happens when we have selected elements. First up, container elements. I'll select multiple elements here. By choosing a container element, watch how it neatly wraps around our selection, instantly organizing them into a group. What if we choose a non-container element? Let's find out. See how the new element is positioned to cover all selected items. This can be useful for highlighting or grouping components visually. Finally, let's explore the insertion of connectors. I'll select several elements for this demonstration. Remember, the first element you select becomes the active one. Need to change the active element? Simply click on any other selected element to make it active. With the Connector tool, it establishes a link from our active element, which is highlighted by a hatched outline, to the other selected elements. This is particularly effective for illustrating relationships between one element and a group of related elements. And that's a wrap on using the Insert Element feature in Software Ideas Modeler. Whether you're adding individual elements, grouping, or connecting them, this tool is designed to streamline your diagramming workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy diagramming!